Coming up in this end of challenge video, I take down my 13-week-old braid. This challenge has been running from the 8th of May to the 8th of August, and it's an extra week. So I'm going to be taking these down and seeing where I am at. Welcome back to all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you and the time you take out to watch my videos. I do hope you are gaining benefit from the information that you find on this channel. If you are, do go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also give this video a like and leave me a comment below and let me know which video you found my channel on and how you are getting on your natural hair journey. To all those who had joined the challenge from the 8th of May, well done for getting so far. Some of you, I know, I've got a lot of growth. Some of you couldn't keep it in quite long, but really everyone is a winner here because the aim is to get good hair growth, which I think even if you kept your hair in for just 4 weeks out of that time, you would have really seen a difference in the length of your hair. Okay, so for the length of my hair, I'm going to say in this case my hair is not stretched, so it's just out of mini braids, and I've washed my mini braids for quite a few times during the challenge. That means that my hair is shrunken, and in my last length check video my hair was stretched out and looking a lot probably longer and a lot fuller. But I was very pleased with the growth that I received overall on this channel. The very first length I will be measuring is the front of my hair. So on that section it was almost 18 inches. However, I'm going to sort of like put a disclaimer in here. My hair is not in the state what I normally do my length checks in. That will be explained why in my next video. So although I'm doing these length checks, they're not really great, and I do apologize for that. I also filmed this video in a hurry, and so I am going to be doing another length check, and I'll explain why in my next video. Mainly, I think the purpose of this video is to show you that my hair has grown regardless of the overall length that I show you at this time. It is there. I have not trimmed my hair since the start of the challenge, so I am going to be doing a stretched hair video so that I can compare it to my last length check video for more clarity. So for my new growth in that area, I had almost 2 inches. Now some of these hairs were redone in the last 12 weeks. The sections where it's about 2 inches long were not redone. So I'm going to say if you wear mini braids on your hair for 12 weeks, you will get 2 inches of growth. If you use hair products such as virgin hair fertilizer, the clove mix that I was using, you might get even more. My hair, I've always described on this channel, is slow growing. I don't really get a lot of growth, and so your hair will probably get more growth by using growth aids. But I'm very happy to have 2 inches of hair in 3 months. I think that's a great achievement, and if I continue like that for the rest of the year, I will definitely meet my goals. Even sections were measuring 2.5 inches, so within 3 months it's possible to get 2.5 inches of growth consistently using mini braids and adding growth aids such as virgin hair fertilizer and clove. I tried to get some different color into the video so that you could really see the amount of growth that was at the back. If you remember, I redid the front of my hair, and so you won't see very much growth on there as comparing to the back, which I kept in. I do want to encourage you to subscribe to my channel where you'll get plenty of content on how to grow your natural hair long, healthy and strong in 2022. I've created a lot of playlists to show you how to grow your natural hair. Do check out the mini braids playlist where I talk about the drawbacks and the benefits of wearing mini braids. That will sort of charter my feelings over the last 12 weeks, week by week, how I was feeling, how I was treating my hair and my routine. So do check that out. You'll find that beneficial. Okay, so I have received a lot of growth, and some in more sections than the other. I've explained in a video called Get to Know My Hair, and I will do an updated version of that video, that my hair is different textures all over. It grows differently, and I try to think about each section. If I get 1 inch in the front and I get 3 inches of growth in the back, that's absolutely fine, because I always have areas that's shorter than each other, and I've explained that's why I tend not to cut my hair to one length, because it's going to grow at different paces. Anyway, I'm going to end up with uneven hair, so I tend to just let it be. But you can see the amount of growth there. So I'm very glad that this challenge is coming to an end. That's because my hair was starting to lock. Getting down this hair, which I will show you in my next video, as well as the announcement. So do look out for part 2 to this video. It was really time to take these braids out. They were looking really bad at the back. and they were starting to lock. So any like further weeks of keeping this in, I think those sections at the back, which are more 4C, would really start to lock. So it was really time. I think 12 weeks is the maximum I'm ever going to keep mini braids in my hair for without redoing them because of the locking. I do want to say it's been especially hot here in the UK. I don't know what it's like where you are at, and I've had to wash my hair like every week or rinse it with Hello Hydration conditioner to keep the moisture in my hair. The most important thing is to make sure that your hair is moisturized so that it doesn't get dry and break. And so I've been really doing lots of co-washes on my mini braids, and that's a great thing about having mini braids, because although I co-wash my hair, I'm able to just wear my hair out straight after that because my hair is already done. It's just to rinse it off and get going. So there's a lot of benefits to wearing mini braids. Once again, do go ahead and check out my mini braids playlist for detailed explanations. So here is another measurement for you. Once again, this is on a section that I did not redo, and let's see how much growth I got on that section, just under 2 inches. So I think overall and on average, I've had between just under 2 inches and just over 2.5 inches of growth in sections of my hair. That really encourages me to keep going, knowing that such a simple regimen, as I've explained, mini braids is cheap. It's free actually if you can do them yourself, and they are so easy to maintain. I mean, why would you not do that? You can also wear mini braids under your wig. So I mean, if styling is your thing and you're feeling that they are quite boring, you're also able to keep these in under your wigs, or also you're able to do a hairstyle over your mini braids to keep them going. So I just find that this is a great way of growing my natural hair. And as I said, in my next video, I will explain what I'm going to be doing next. And I think you will want to join into that because we want to get maximum growth for the rest of 2022. I think when wearing mini braids, it's all about expectations. Sometimes I look at my hair, and I'm actually showing you in this video about the shrinkage that I get with mini braids. So the braid that's closest to the screen is the one that I redid, and the one that's further away is the one that was in. So you can see the amount of shrinkage, and I get comments like, your hair doesn't look as long. And that's because our hair will shrink, and not because it's in mini braids, it's going to shrink. So even the shrunken length of my mini braids that I've even redone is about 14 inches. And with shrinkage, it could get up to like 8 inches, although it's like double that stretch. So you are going to get quite a lot of shrinkage, and that's going to be something to bear in mind over, wearing such a long-term protective style, that your hair will look shorter. But knowing that when you do stretch it at the end of the challenge, you're expecting to see great growth, which I'm going to be doing. I am going to be showing you it stretched out, but as I said, because of what I've decided to do next, I can't do that. But I'm just showing you consistently across all of my hair. At the back, I received extreme growth. This hair was not redone, and I lightened the video so you can really see the amount of growth that I got there. It was 2 inches, 2.5 inches in places, and really grown. I'm so happy with the growth that I received back there after wearing mini braids just for 12 weeks. I do encourage you to start your own mini braids challenge, or indeed join on the other ones on this channel, because you are going to get a lot of growth for the rest of 2022. I advocate for using your own hair to grow your hair, because the hair that you do grow outside of extensions is hair that you want to keep. However, if it's becoming too much and hair care is too much, do go ahead and wear extensions, but wear it bearing in mind that your hair underneath needs more care than the extension itself. So let's get back to the video. Yes, sir, just more measurements of the back and the end of the challenge. I'm so happy for everyone to have tuned in. I've really seen a lot of growth on my channel around this content, and I believe that this is what I will stick to. You will be getting lots of styling videos because I have a lot of filmed content on styling. I've got a lot of informational videos, having looked into hair care since 2007, 2009. I have a lot of knowledge that I want to impart. But in terms of the strategy for growing my hair, I will be sticking to mini braids. So there's lots more mini braid content coming up for you, and I'm just going to see where this takes me. As I said, very exciting announcement coming up in my next video, and I do hope you will tune in and you will join. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in my next one. That is the end of this challenge, 12 weeks, and we are going to be doing something, so look out for part 2 for more explanation on that. Thank you so much. Bye bye.